In this video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga advanced security tips for OKX Wallet. Alright, simulan na po natin. Don't forget, kung wala pa, mag-download kayo using the link I've given in the description box below. Step 1. Dapat i-store natin ang ating mga seed phrases offline. Avoid digital backups. Step 2. I-enable ninyo ang Face ID or fingerprint authentication for extra security. Dapat enable natin ang mga biometric authentication. Step 3. Gamit tayo ng hardware wallet. Tandaan mo ka, Miranda, pag medyo malaki na ang holdings mo, mas maganda ang hardware wallet for cold storage. Abangan nyo mga future videos ni Coach Miranda so I can recommend to you some awesome and secure hard wallets for your cold storage. Of course, last but not the least, be cautious on phishing attempts. Only download ka, Miranda, mga applications from official sources, ha? Alright? And of course, our final video in this particular playlist, the next video, video number 10, we're gonna be covering troubleshooting common wallet issues. Alright, maraming salamat ka, Miranda, and I love you 3,000.